Hi, I'm Steph Evans and here's another course bite from our Intro to Non-Linear FEA with MSC Apex online course. There are many aspects of Apex that make it ideal for efficient non-linear FEA, from model build through all stages to simulation and post-processing. Historically, FEA models for non-linear analysis have been difficult to build, laborious to update, and opaque when it comes to solver setup and analysis response. Apex has many tools such as CAE-specific direct and hybrid modelling to allow optimal model size combined with solver controls that can be set up very easily, ultimately allowing you to generate robust nonlinear outputs in a very efficient manner. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses and we hope to see you on a course really soon.